look familiar? Remember, these were outside for a while. I went on that whole tirade about keeping your appliances outside and how weird I thought that was. What I didn't know is that these belong to the owner. This property is being rented by a tenant. These are owned by the owner, and he bought them basically to spite the tenant, because the tenant wanted this, she wanted that, she wanted this. Oh, that's not good enough. This, so he bought them, put them outside as a way to basically spite the tenant. And I was the one that told him. I said, "Are you sure you want to waste $2,500?" And he's like, "Yeah, you're right." So, so basically, I facilitated this, and I said, "Well, I got a guy that's can probably do this for relatively cheap, just to get them out of the rain, just so they're not being directly poured on." And he said, "Yeah, all right, I'll give him." I don't remember how much it was exactly, but he's like, "Yeah, all right, as long as it's not that expensive." So I had the guy come over, and it had to be lower than these, because I guess people in this part of the city, there's roofing up there, by the way, there's shingles. People in this part of the city will report you. We're not in LA, we're in a neighboring, I don't want to say what city, but anyway, this is, and the owner's like, "That's perfect. It wasn't expensive, and it's keeping them out of the rain. If the rain blows, obviously that's going to be an issue." But he was like, "I don't care if they get ruined. They're mine, and I'll do whatever I want with them." So anyway, we're here because, remember, I was here snaking this thing last time. It was about 2 months ago, 3 months ago. We did that. So it's backing up again. So what I'm going to do today is, I was going to take that off. I think that's what we need to do. But I'm going to stick the camera down, see what the heck is going on, and see if I can't get the chains down there to chain it out. But let me take this apart. I'll show you what the camera's picking up. Alright, I just cut it out. So it's kind of getting annoyingly hard to get those bands off. So, let's stick the camera down there. Whoops. Okay, we're into the main there. And it's holding water, and I already see an obstruction. Okay. Well, that's nice. All right, we will get the chains, and I remember from last time that it was I'm not going to be able to see anything, so it's about 45 feet that I had to snake in there. There's toilet paper all over the snake right now. Just pulled it out. So, and I do remember there were roots as well. So we'll get the chains and send them down. All right. This is why you need a clean out. This reel is 65 feet. It's probably in there about 45 at this point. This is all that's left. What is that, 10 feet maybe? Just trying to get it a little further, but It's spinning. It's not binding up the drill or anything. Not a whole lot of tension on the drill. So it's in there spinning like crazy. I just want to push it. I would like to get it all the way in. And then, because descaling is best when you're pulling it back. But, alright, let me try a little more here. Alright, I pulled the chains back and no bueno, but I got the tenants in there and I run the tub and I don't know, I might have gotten it because I don't know. We'll find out, right? We'll find out right now. Ooh, that actually flushed that out pretty good, dude. I actually put the camera in there and I didn't show it, but this was just completely full of gunk. I think that flush might have taken it out of there.
Turned on the sink and the tub.
Okay. It looks like it's still filling. It's filling the pipe.
Turn them off.
You can let it run. Let's let it run for a little bit. Yeah. It looked like it flushed it out a little bit because it was. Yeah, there you go. There you go. It flushed it. Look at that.
Now it's going down.
Yeah, I think it was just a bunch of. I don't know. I don't even know. Maybe scale. But that seems to have flushed it quite nicely. Better than it was. Yeah, it's just very scaly. I can see scale build up in there. So we've flushed several times, let the tub run, and I think I may have fixed it with the descaling chains because she just flushed. Because I can push the camera way further in and it's staying above water. So when I first pushed it in, it was below water almost instantly. So, but that looks much better. There's just gunk in there still. See? You have see that buildup right there? Let's try to break that up. Just keep on flushing. Come on, just break it up. You know, it may be, the pipe may be back pitched. Because if it was maybe flat or something, I don't know. Those flushes really help. I don't know, this will probably get them by for a little longer. Alright, well, let's try to get the camera down there a little further. So I'm already at 17. Yeah, look how much further down I am. There's just some toilet paper just hung up right there. Did you see that? With every flush, it seems to just breaking it up with the camera, I guess. Alright, well, looks much better than it did. We'll have to talk to the owner about, they need a clean out, dude. They need a proper clean out. Simple as that. Alright. Got it back together. Gonna let it slide. And then if it happens again, we're gonna have to we have no other choice but to have to put a proper clean out in here. Simple as that. So it's all for now.